สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe if you ever been to Thailand you probably know the dish of today since it is in the top 10 or maybe even top 5 of the most famous Thai dish you can find it everywhere in Thailand I'm talking about steamed rice with herbs and chicken did you guess the name Khao Man Gai yes are you ready let's go chili ginger coriander root chicken seasoning cube cooking oil lamb garlic chicken soy sauce soybean paste black sweet soy sauce salt sugar vinegar rice usually I start with veggies but today I will start with chicken I will explain you why later I will put the chicken with coriander root and chicken seasoning cube before boiling water to prevent the chicken from being damaged. Now turn on the gas and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. While your chicken is cooking, prepare the sauce. I will use garlic for 3 different things. First, for the sauce. Second, fry for the rice. Third, for side dish. Peel ginger skin. Same as garlic, we will use for the sauce, for the rice, and for side dish. And for the chili, I will use half for the sauce and half for side dish. I will put one by one because my mortar is quite small, but you can put everything in the same time if you have a bigger one, or even use blender. You have to really make it like a paste. For garlic, chili, and coriander root, you can put it in the same time. Add vinegar. Add soybean paste. Add sweet black soy sauce. Add soy sauce. Add sugar and salt. Mix it well. Taste it and adjust according to your taste. If you like spicy, add more chili. If you like sweet, add more sugar. For acidity, I like to add some lime juice. Just before cooking the rice, we have to fry garlic and ginger. Now we are going to cook the rice, and it's special cooking because we have to add fried ginger, garlic and chicken soup in the rice cooker. Now that the rice is cooked, mix rice with ginger and garlic. Now I will remove the bone. This is the final touch of Khao Man Gai. I will try steamed rice with ginger and garlic first. It's very good. Now let's try the chicken. The waiting time for the chicken cooking is worth it because the chicken is so tender, so soft. It's very good. For me, when you eat this together, it makes you fresh. I really like it. Some restaurants they will serve with a cucumber. You can have it too. But my personal, I prefer fresh coriander. And voila! Bon appetit! As I said, if you ever came to Thailand, you probably know that dish already. If not, you have to try it. Please subscribe if you enjoyed and ring the notification bell. Leave me a quick comment as well. And shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. Bye. And voila! Bon appetit! 1, 2, 3 สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe no shit it's no energy